Hello beautiful people, welcome to our channel. So I already posted a video of how I made this hair mask. For this video I'm just going to show you how I transformed this hair mask that is for one of my daughter's hair, that I will be making it better for my other daughter's hair, because they each have different type of hair and each of their hair need different things. And for her I will be adding 1 egg and 2 spoons of mayo. The reason I decided to add egg for this hair mask is because egg contains vitamin E, vitamin A, biotin that can help keep the hair thick and healthy. Also, I decided to add mayo because mayo contains the protein from the egg, some vegetable oil, and some vinegar that can improve the hair texture and hair growth. And this is exactly what one of my daughter's hair needs. Now I'm going to apply the hair mask on her hair, but before I do that I'm going to be spraying some rosemary water on her hair. The only reason I'm spraying the rosemary water on her hair is to help manage her hair, because her hair was in a high bun for a few days and I didn't get to detangle her hair. So spraying some water on her hair helped me to manage her hair so I won't be pulling her hair when I'm putting the hair mask. If you enjoyed this video so far, please consider pressing that like button, and why not subscribe to our channel for similar content, and why not share this video with your friend, family, or anyone you know. After putting this all over her hair, I will let her sit with it for about 30 minutes or so. After 30 minutes or so, I will rinse out her hair and continue with my regular wash day routine. But before I do that, I'm going to take the time to massage her scalp, because I don't get to do it during the week. So today is my day to make sure that I massage her scalp to stimulate hair growth. Thank you for watching this video. See you on our next one. Bye.